Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your speaker Bose S1 Pro Plus to the application. You have to start by open Bose application and then click Setup New Product. Scroll down and click Add the portable PA. Now, press one time at the power button on your speaker to turn on it, and now it should find this speaker. Here we go, click Connect. Now, press and hold Bluetooth button until this little light starts flashing. Here we go. And now click Pair. Now name it. I'm going to use Bose S1, but you can, of course, write right here a custom name. It's up to you. And then click Save. Get started. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!